Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about carrier sense multiple access protocol and three of its form, mainly one persistent, non-persistent and p-persistent CSMA. So before going into the types of CSMA, let's study the three of the basic points regarding CSMA. So when the energy is low, the channel is idle. When the energy is moderate, the channel is busy. And when the energy is high, there is a collision in the network. Now, what does these three sentences means? Suppose there are two systems or there are n system, and if it is none of the system is transmitting the data, then in that case there will be low energy, means the energy level will be low. When few of the stations are transmitting the data without any collision, then the energy is said to be moderate. And when there is a collision between any of the two transmitting medium, then the energy is said to be high. So there are basically three types of CSMA: one persistent CSMA, non-persistent CSMA and p-persistent CSMA. So let's see what is one persistent CSMA. One persistent CSMA station will continuously sense the channel. Once the channel is idle, it will transmit with the probability p is equal to 1. So in what happens in one persistent CSMA is, if two or more systems find the channel idle at the same time, then they will transmit, then there is a possibility of the collision. So these are the 2 points regarding one persistent CSMA. So I will try to explain what is one persistent CSMA in the simpler way. So one persistent CSMA, different stations will continuously sense the channel, and as and when any of the station gets the channel idle, then it will definitely transmit. So what happens, suppose more than 2 or 3 stations gets the channel idle at the same time, then in that case both of the station will transmit the data, and in that case there is a probability of collision. So hence in one persistent there are maximum chances of collision, since whenever two or more whenever two or more system gets the channel idle at the same time, they both will transmit and the collision will definitely occur. Now non-persistent CSMA, in non-persistent CSMA, once the channel is busy, it waits a random amount of time and again senses the channel. Means if the channel is not free, means if the channel is busy, and then the systems will not continuously transmit the data, they will not continuously sense the channel. See, as in one persistent CSMA they are continuously they are continuously sensing the channel, while in non-persistent CSMA they will not continuously sense the channel. Once the channel is busy, they will wait some random amount of time. This random amount of time is dependent on the exponential back-off algorithm, that is something different. So they will not continuously sense the channel, they will wait for some random amount of time. Hence in this possibility of the collision are less compared to the one persistent CSMA. Now the last one is p-persistent CSMA. P-persistent CSMA, once the channel is idle, it may transmit with the probability p or it may not transmit with the probability 1 minus p. P-persistent CSMA is similar to non-persistent non-persistent CSMA, means it will not continuously sense the channel. It will sense the channel if it is found that the channel is busy, then it will wait some random amount of time. Now the difference between non-persistent and p-persistent is that if in non-persistent a system finds the channel as idle, then it will definitely transmit the data, means it will transmit the data with the probability p equal to 1. But in p-persistent CSMA, even if the channel is found to be idle, it will not transmit the data. Rather, what will happen, it may transmit with the probability p, or it may not transmit with the probability 1 minus p. This p comes from the probability. Hence in the p persistent CSMA, the chances of collisions are least. So with this, these three things comes to end. And what I would suggest, if you want some other content or topics which needs to be discussed by me, and you can comment and you can share this video if you like this video. That's all. Bye, take care.